What's up guys, my name is Johnny, I'm a stylist here at Lulus, and today we're going to be talking about 5 things you're doing that are hurting your ear piercing. And let's get into it. Mistake number 1, you sleep on your piercings. Obviously it's the worst thing you could possibly do because you're putting the weight of your head on the pillow. Let's cut the F word out, sorry. The weight of your head is putting pressure on the ear and it's causing your ear to swell and have all sorts of problems like that. So please go ahead and stay away from sleeping on your piercings. Obviously, it's a very difficult task for some people because you sleep on your sides, you turn your head over. Going along with that, the best thing you can do is get yourself an airplane pillow or a neck pillow or a travel pillow, whatever the hell you want to call it. And nowadays, I've even seen pillows with actual holes in them. So to fix this issue, it's out there already, guys. There's many products available to help you have a good night's sleep while still having your piercings heal nicely. So go ahead and look into those products. Whatever you feel comfortable using, go ahead and use that. But you can technically sleep on your piercings as long as there's a hole, kind of creating that space and like the elevation off the pillow. Yes, but that still is a mistake, so try not to sleep on your piercings. Mistake number 2 is touching your piercings, whether it's on your ear or anywhere else. Obviously this video is about the ear, but you're just sitting there home and you're bored and you could be constantly messing with your ear. Your boyfriend, your significant other, girlfriend, mom, dad, sister, dog, whoever it is could possibly be messing with your piercings and you don't even realize it. And sometimes you do realize it and you do nothing about it, or you don't realize it's an issue. I've heard many stories where someone might be hugging someone too tight, or you're sitting in class and your friends are just messing with it. Just keep your hands and keep others' hands off your piercings, because the more bacteria is on your hands throughout the day, you're touching your phone, you're touching this, you're touching that, and you're touching your piercings, that's bacteria transference onto the piercing, which is causing the problem in the first place. So please keep your hands away from your piercings, because that's pretty much what's causing infections to form and all sorts of problems. Mistake number 3 is getting naked. I'm just kidding. It's taking your clothes off or putting your clothes back on. Biggest mistake here is you could be very tired, very drunk, very intoxicated, and you're just kind of in a hurry and you're just ripping that sweater off or ripping that shirt off or whatever it is, and the clothes get snagged onto the jewelry and kind of yank on it. Major trauma from that happens, and that's why you have problems. So be very, very careful removing any articles of clothing, because if it does get snagged on, you are going to notice a problem. Possible bleeding, swelling, piercing bumps, all sorts of issues. So when you have a fresh piercing, guys, be very careful. Just be very slow with everything. There's no rush, guys. You're probably gonna live 100 years going with the way medical and technology and all things are going. So there's no need to be in a hurry, guys. Just take your time, take it off really slow, and put it on really slow, so you don't have any problems. Yeah. Mistake number 4, and it is a very common mistake, probably one of the most common mistakes made on the part of the person who's getting it. For example, whenever you have a piercing and the piercer tells you you can't switch it for 6 months, and you go to your piercer or someone else and you tell them, my piercing's been 6 months but it's actually been 3, that's called switching your piercing out prematurely. So you definitely don't want to do that, because switching on your jewelry too soon to something that's a little bit more snug or shorter or different or round or curved, whatever it is, it's going to cause problems for your piercing. Whenever your piercing is not fully matured yet or not fully healed yet and you're switching it out, you're gonna be causing problems for your piercing. So please, please be honest with yourself, be honest with the piercer that you're working with or asking to have the jewelry switched out, because if you switch out too soon and you have problems, what's gonna happen is you're gonna prolong your healing process, because you're gonna have a problem, and for you to wait for that problem to go away, and then by the time your piercing would actually been healed, it could have been healed on time, but instead you decided to lag it and give yourself more problems and extend the healing process. So guys, just wait, be patient, there's no rush, just wait so you'll be happy. Obviously, if there's stuff in the world to make it heal quicker, which there isn't, guys, trust me, I've looked, you're just gonna have to wait, guys. Just the way piercings are, you're gonna have to wait for them to heal, and then you can put whatever else you want in it, and then you'll be happy. So just wait. Number 5 is for my glasses wearer or my shades wearers. Whoever wears glasses. Obviously, when you're putting on glasses. By the way, do you have glasses anywhere? Does anyone wear glasses? Can I have glasses? I need some shades. How are you getting shades? We're getting some glasses on the set, folks. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. Give me glasses. Those are ugly as It's okay. It's glasses for the video, doesn't matter. Some blue light nerd glasses. Out of here. With your broken ass eyeballs.
Be careful, because if you have to make the sound there.
What?
Be careful what you're saying on camera.
Be careful what I'm saying on camera?
Just like, thanks, assistant.
He's not gonna put it in there.
Just redo it, just to make funny edits in the video.
Glasses on set, please. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. All right, so back on topic. If you're wearing glasses, stunner shades, reading glasses, eyeglasses, whatever it is, be very careful. But because if you put on these glasses and the back of this glasses area, whatever you call this, a stem, whatever you call this thing, bumps the back of your piercing, it's gonna cause problems. If you got them angled a certain way because you wanted a certain stud to look a certain way on your ear and it ends up getting snagged on there, it's gonna hurt. So be very, very careful. Put them on very slow. Take them off very slow. Just like everything else in the video I was saying, take your time, be patient, do everything very slowly so you don't cause any major issues. Also, it's a good thing to tell your piercer before you even get the piercing that you wear glasses so when you put them on, they can pierce it in a way where it's not gonna get snagged on the back or it's not gonna get in the way or just completely out of the way of the glasses so you have a better healing process. But if you already have it, just be very careful, guys, because I'm watching you. Last but not least is a bonus. Stop fighting, because if you get into a fight and you get punched in the ear, you're gonna have piercing problems. So be very careful, guys. Fighting is not the answer. So don't get into any mosh pits, any fights, any brawls, any whatever. Just be careful of your piercings. That's all I gotta say. It's just a bonus. I'm sure most people don't fight, but I'm just letting you know you probably shouldn't do it because violence isn't the answer and your piercings will be very angry with you. So yeah. That's 5 mistakes you should not do when getting your ears pierced. Like, subscribe, all that good jazz. See my pretty face every day. With Johnny, ya boy. See you next time by clicking the video over here because I made another video about how to style your ears in the 10 best ways. Watch that.